Children, according to the habitat, we can see that plants are found on land, they are found inside the water, some on the marshy places, and some plants they are found in the desert area. So, you know that which plants they grow on land, which we see in our surrounding. So, plants growing on land, example mango, jackfruit, right? The plants which we see nearby our surrounding, they all are coming under the plants which grow on land. But what about the plants which grow inside the water, or we can say the plants which are growing near the water? There are two types, submerged and floating. If the plant is submerged inside the water, they are called, example is algae. But you must have seen lotus plant, they are floating on the water, so it is coming under floating plant. So these are the plants, like example algae, lotus, they are the plants which are growing near the water. Now what about marshy places? Example is mangrove. Which are the mangroves? The mangroves are those plants which helps in the removal of pollution which are present inside the water, children. So big factories are there. Nearby these factories, the mango trees are present, and these are found in the marshy places. So these plants, they clean the water. So they are very important for our cleaning process of water. Now you know this cactus plant, right? You must have seen the cactus which is found in the desert area, Rajasthan. So, if you have seen the cactus, they are actually having the thorny leaves. So, these thorns, they are nothing but leaf of the plant. And the thorns are modified into leaves because the water which is emitted out from the body of the plant, it will reduce the water emission. We say water loss is stopped. That's why the thorns are transmitted into leaves, because it is found only in the desert area. So here we completed habitats of plants, the plants which are, and one more thing I want to say, cactus is a desert plant. So in order to survive in a desert, its body is highly modified, and the leaves of the cactus are reduced and they are converted into thorns. Just now I explained you what are converted into thorns, leaves. Therefore, stems take up the function of photosynthesis here, and thus the stem is green and fleshy because it is doing the photosynthesis process. And whichever thorns you see, they are nothing but leaves of the cactus. Thank you, children.